Since the dawn of agriculture, pest, disease, and competition by weeds have reduced the productivity of crops, and farmers have been looking for ways and means of limiting these losses. In other words, they have been taking steps to protect their crop. In maize, the average loss suffered worldwide without the crop protection is estimated to be 11.7% due to diseases, 19% due to insects, and 28% due to weeds. And successful cultivation of maize depends largely on efficiency of weed control. Weed control during the first 6 to 8 weeks after planting is crucial because weeds compete vigorously with the crop for nutrients and water during this period. Annual yield losses occurs as a result of inflation in cultivated crops. Crop yield losses that are attributed to weeds vary with the type of weeds or the type of crop and, in general, the environmental conditions. Depending on the level of weed control, the losses can vary from 10 to 100%. And these losses occur as a result of weed interference with the crop's growth. And this explains why effective weed control is very important. So, in order to do a effective weed control, the first critical requirement is correct weed identification. So, we have come up with a plant weed classifier. We have used PyTorch for training a CNN model for image classification. We are using image classification to classify if a image is of a maize crop or it's some weed. And after classifying the plant type, we would also provide the appropriate measure to counter that particular weed. And to make an interactive interface, we have built a web app and connected it with a Flask backend. Using this information, farmer can focus on a particular fertilizer or crop protection method rather than sprinkling some general pesticide.